Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series on how to design a hair salon website with Elementor Pro. Okay, we have done designing the home page. Now let's design the services page. And yes, in services page, we do not need to design much. We can just copy this services section from the home page and re-edit it. We can rearrange the layout here, paste it. For example, here we can insert an inner section, or we can insert a 3-column section here like this, with about padding 150 to the bottom. Sorry, it should be on the bottom, 150 to the bottom. Then we can drag this widgets and drop it here. Okay, remove these motion effects. Same here, remove the motion effect. Okay, and there seems to be a few margins. Remove them. Same here. Okay, padding here at the bottom, we don't need it. Oh, sorry, yeah, we need this padding. Okay, so far good. Delete this right column. Okay, and here text widget, advanced, go percentage, right side about 60%. Oh, too much, 50%. Okay, padding 50% to the right. And here go to this section setting, advanced, we can remove this bottom padding. Okay, what we do, or services, okay, something like this. And here, okay, here we need to add padding to the left and right of this description. Let's give a CSS ID, service 1. Okay, go to custom CSS, service 1. Okay, same here, give a CSS ID, service 2, custom CSS, service 2, same here. Give it CSS ID, service 3, service 3. Okay, something what we can do here, style content text blah blah. Okay, it does not work. Go to advanced, background. Okay, here what we can do here, we can arrange background color, something like this. And on hover we can change the background color again, something like this. Okay. Oh yeah, something like this. Style, content. There is no hover color setting here. Okay, that's okay. Anyway, you can change the color on hover. Okay, something like this. Okay, if you do not like this, just you can remove it, remove the background here. Okay. Okay. And if you want to make one size larger than others, you can just drag this layout here, here, something like this. Yeah, what is this percentage? Okay, 30%. Same here, 30%. Okay. And section setting, layout, it can align space evenly. Okay. Okay. Then here, copy this, bring it here, paste it, section setting, okay, here, change the colors, color to white, same here, change to white. Okay, and here, navigation form, sorry, appointment form, style, buttons, color white, okay, update it. Let's see, on the services page, this is the services, then appointment form. Okay, that's it. Let's see how it looks on mobile. Okay, here there is not much problem. Yeah, same too. Yeah. Yeah, without any customs margins, negative margins, or any paddings, our website design will be responsive to all screen sizes. But if you use absolute positioning, fixed positioning, margins, paddings, then it may not be rendered properly. They may not be properly responsive to all screen sizes. So yeah, so we have okay, let's see how it looks on tablet. You this is, it does not look good. What we can do, we can set this 50%, same here, make this 50%. Okay, and this one, the last one, we can make this 100%. Yeah. Okay, update it. That's it for this video, and I hope you like it. I hope you learn something new or you get inspired something. And yeah, hopefully this video helps those WordPress beginners or Elementor beginners learn how to design a WordPress website, a hair salon website. Okay, if you have any video requests or any questions, thoughts, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below or contact me on WhatsApp or Facebook. Okay, see you in the next episode.